Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th January 2025. The Reserve Bank of India has requested commercial banks to report the impact of the proposed stringent liquidity coverage ratio norms, which require banks to hold more high-quality liquid assets. The norms are intended to mitigate withdrawal risk but may constrain lending capacity. In 2025, electric vehicle launches in India are set to surpass petrol and diesel cars, with 18 electric vehicles scheduled for release. Industry leaders including Kia, Maruti Suzuki, and Hyundai anticipate significant growth in the electric vehicle market, bolstered by government incentives and infrastructure improvements. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs announced a waiver of late fees for delayed filings of reconciliation statements and annual returns, which is GSTR 9C, for the financial years 2017-18 to 2022-23. Taxpayers must file the reconciliation statement by March 31, 2025 to avail the waiver. The Goods and Services Tax Network has addressed and resolved an issue concerning duplicate entries in GSTR 2B for certain taxpayers. A corrected GSTR 2B has now been generated. To ensure accurate input tax credit claims while filing GSTR 3B, taxpayers are advised to verify the input tax credit values carefully in compliance with GST laws. The Central Consumer Protection Authority or CCPA on Thursday issued notices to Ola and Uber for allegedly charging different rates from consumers based on their mobile phone operating systems. In the past few months, commuters using these aggregator platforms flagged a disparity between rates for identical routes on iPhones and Android devices. Infosys has announced its plans to strengthen its strategic partnership with Telangana government with the expansion of Infosys' IT campus at Pocharam in Hyderabad. This will create an additional 17,000 jobs in the campus, where Infosys already employs over 35,000 people, making it one of the largest campuses in the country. The country's largest consumer goods company, Hindustan Unilever, has put in place a four-pronged strategy to grow its beauty and well-being business, created in April last year. The plan aims to increase the share of its premium portfolio within beauty and well-being by 900 basis points in the coming years as HUL accelerates its premiumization efforts. Beauty and well-being currently contribute 20% to HUL's sales and 33% to its profits. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.